You can start recording if you want.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am, I can hear you and I can see you as well. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. You tell me, how have you been today?
Yeah, I have been doing so good so far, and thank you for asking too. So, as I think we have met earlier once,
Yeah, it's our second meeting.
it's our second. I think we just get
Yeah, it's
ball
us.
rolling with a very nutshell intro, then we can proceed further.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, you want me to introduce myself?
Yeah, in a nutshell.
Hello, you.
Hello,
Yeah, sure, because your voice was breaking. Hello. Actually, you were facing some. I think you are facing some network issue. I'm not able to see you.
you are not able to see me.
Hello. Yeah, now it's okay.
It's okay.
Now I can see you, but it seems you have weak network issue. Weak network.
No, I
Weak.
think I have good network, but I don't know what is happening.
Okay. So, okay. First, I want to thank you. You gave me this opportunity to introduce me myself, to introduce me. At the same time, you gave me chance to be with you for a few minutes. As you know, my name is Pinky Advanshi, and I hail from Punjab. And talking about my study background, I am postgraduated in Hindi literature, and I'm freelancer. I'm working as a beautician on and off. Along with that, I am working on my communication skills. So it has been more than 1 year. I am working on it, and that's all about me in a nutshell.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. So, shall I need? Shall I do my introduction?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Darshi and I hail from UP Uttar Pradesh and I have completed my master in chemistry and then I was working, but now I can say I took break from my job. So I'm just fully focused on my communication skill and I have multiple hobbies like cooking, stitching, talking to with people, listening, watching, traveling. Yeah, that's pretty much about me.
Nice to hear you. Actually, your picture is quite blurry. Are you able to see me
Yeah, I can see you properly. There,
properly?
there is no problem. Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have any specific topic to discuss?
Yeah, I have a question. I think I have a very, I think the most important question because we all feel in that situations. We all feel. So the
Mhm.
question is, have you ever found yourself in the middle of conversation of speaking English? The word you need just vanish. So what do you do in that situation?
No, I'm not getting you.
Like,
I'm not getting you.
okay,
What are you talking about? Can
okay,
you elaborate a little bit?
yeah, yeah. Like when you get stuck while having conversation and you have to say one word and that word you feel that just vanish. So what do you do in that situation? Still not getting my
Actually,
point?
initially, it used to happen with me a lot.
Mm-hmm.
No, no, I'm getting you. I'm getting you now.
Okay.
So, I was saying initially, it used to happen with me a lot because we have to go through such a period of time as
Yeah.
a learner, right? So I have gone through a lot, and still I'm facing some issues related to it. Sometimes I get stuck when I need to speak on impromptu topic, and when I don't get word at that time, I try to reform my sentence and try to use alternative of that particular word. That's what I do. If
Yeah.
I'm not able to do it at that time, what I do, I just try to leave that situation there as it is, and after disconnecting the call, I try to find out the exact word where was I can use it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Yeah, and according to me,
Mm.
when I got in this situation, because it's happened with everyone, it's not a thing that I think we all learner goes through in this way. So now what I do, I just I just try to use simple word instead of saying that word, and I just try to use simple. And even if I'm not able to recall simple words, so at that time, I just try to tell whatever I want to tell. I just use hand gesture, posture, and also I don't panic. When we get panic, so that time
So
we feel that everything vanished. We don't have anything to.
yeah,
Yeah,
it means you don't easily give up. Give up. That's great. That's
yeah.
a great thing, and we should be like this. And I do the same.
Mm.
Yes.
So here is one question. Like,
Any other?
yeah, yeah. One
Mhm.
question I want to
No,
ask
no.
you
You.
as well.
Mhm.
So, do you think money is important?
For me, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. To some extent, it's important, and it it is up to person how they are perceiving things. Sometimes people, people think time is important more than money, and some of them think like money is important more than time.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
For my,
you are right. You are right. Some people value the time because they have lots of money, and some people value the money because, like, some people value the time because they don't have money. Yeah, so it's according to
yeah, because
situation.
if we are lagging behind money, at that time we know the value of money, right? Because we it will help you to fulfill your small tiny
Yes,
trivial desires,
yes,
right? uh, it could be anything, any tiny desire like having good food, going to restaurant, yeah, right, and buying good clothes. Other than that, going to specific place with your beloved ones.
yeah,
It could be anything. It's up
yeah,
to you what kind of desires you are carrying, and yeah, and your need depends on your need as well.
yeah. Of course,
You were saying
money is
something.
important, and I can't deny. I can't deny ever because money is important for just living a balanced life, for just
Mhm.
fulfilling our basic needs. We need money.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But personally, money, materialistic things doesn't appeals me actually. I do believe in emotion connectivity. Yeah, that is important thing. That is a real treasure in human life, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So,
Yes.
do you have any question for me? So you can ask.
Hmm. I can ask you about very simple question. That is weather. How's the weather over there? Because my side weather is quite terrible. We are still facing hot in this season as well. We are facing a lot of humid weather, humid and hot weather. We are not getting rain at all. So
Yeah.
I just want to know how's the weather over there.
So if I talk about weather, so I would say weather is so nice, so pleasant because it's a time of rainy season. So in the morning, rain has come, and sometime at the afternoon, and sometime in the evening. So after raining, the moisture became so pleasant and so cool and so nice. So weather is so good. I really enjoy rainy season because
Mhm.
in rainy season I don't feel too much. I don't feel scorching hot, and I don't feel too much cold. So it is a moderate. It is a moderate weather in this time. I really enjoy.
Okay, do you live in village
Yeah,
by any chance?
I live in a village.
Okay, being a villager, how you are relishing yourself there?
Oh, okay. Can you repeat that? I think I didn't hear properly.
I was saying, like being a villager, how do you relish yourself over there? What enjoy you most over there?
Oh,
Weather, pure wind, authentic food,
yeah,
or fields, crops?
there are so much things we enjoy. Like first, if I talk about we get fresh air, which is extremely important for
Mhm.
living to a healthy life. You
I
know,
just,
yeah, and also
mhm.
I
I
really
just want to know your perspective. What do you like most? I just want to know. It is, yeah, we know we get pure things over
I
there, right? I
okay
just want to know your perspective. What do you like the most in village?
in
Hmm?
village. As far as I'm concerned, so I like greenery, and simultaneously I like peace. So I am that type of person
Mhm.
who loves nature and as well as who love peace. So here both are with me. So I really like peace and greenery, and like nature. Every time you all and everywhere whenever you go, you see greenery and the nature and the peace. And in the
Mhm.
evening, especially when I go on the terrace, so that time I just feel, I just feel that I just feel a full
Mhm.
peace and I just feel satisfied and I really enjoyed that time
Mhm.
Paris and I feel this my time. So at that time, I don't use phone, I don't use anything. I just I just take off from the digital world and I just go on the terrace and I just feel the wind and I just feel the greenery and I just saw the greenery and just feel the peaceful nature. Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay, as we know, every thing has pros and cons. So if there is a lot of greenery, you must be getting a lot of insects, worms, or some dangerous things. So don't you feel like don't you scared from such things?
Like, 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 like
Have
what?
you have you encountered such situation where you get stuck or where you get scared from snake, or there are some soul worms,
Yeah. If
insects,
if I talk about,
wild insects?
okay, okay, let me tell you. If I talk about my village, so I can say my village is smart village. We
Hmm.
have, yeah, we have a, I think there is no that kind of place that we have to scared that we find snacks, and there are lots of insect. I never find, because we live in a very smart village, so there
Okay.
is no like field, or there is no mud, there is no dirty place. We live in a very clean
Yeah, you could.
village. Yeah,
Yeah, you could have said like everything is spick and span,
yeah, right.
very neat and clean.
Yeah, everything very
Great.
neat and clean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So do you live in village?
Okay. Any question you can ask me?
Okay, so my last
Hmm.
question. Do you also live in village?
No, it is kind of moderate area. I can't say it is proper urban or proper rural
Okay.
area.
So how do you feel? What things
Yeah.
do you like? What things
Hmm.
really captivate you, and what things you really enjoy? Like you said that it is not an urban area, and also it is not a proper village area, rural area. So what is the thing that you always feel?
Okay, so first thing which I enjoy the most, especially at my maternal in-laws place. I'm talking about specifically my in-laws place. So where I enjoy the most, that is food. I get authentic, amazing, tasty food, whether
So
it's junk or sweets or any other thing like
that,
veggies, right? And which I hate the most, there is a no, you can say my house is kind of, you can say, uh, there is a no ventilation. It is not airy. It seems like I am living in a very congested area. There is a very small houses uh, in my area. It seems a very congested area. Yeah, that thing I don't like it. Yeah,
I, okay,
that's it.
that's good. So now, do you have any question?
We can continue in next time. Uh,
Yeah,
like right now we should wrap up
yeah,
because I have to do something,
yeah. I also,
and we will connect soon.
I also have to do something. So yeah, that is really nice conversation with you, and I really enjoy.